So let's talk about BSc. So don't underestimate this course, okay? Don't underestimate this course. So BSc course, okay, followed by MSc course from a good college can be much beneficial to you, and a promising career will be there for you waiting, okay? So the best part of this course is that there is immense scope in the research field, okay? So some of the best courses in BSc are BSc horticulture, BSc agriculture, okay, BSc forestry, then comes the BSc IT information technology, BSc computer science, then the BSc chemistry, then BSc mathematics, then BSc physics, then comes the BSc hotel management, okay, and you can also do BSc natural science, okay, nautical science or natural science is also there, okay. Then you can do BSc electronics, then you can do BSc electronics and communication, okay. Then you can do BSc biotechnology, okay. These are the courses which you can do in BSc. Now comes the BBA course. So BBA is like a course just below the level of MBA, okay. So it stands for, okay, doing just BBA may also help you land a job. It is a 3 years long bachelor's degree course, okay. So it stands for Bachelor of Business Administration. So you can also do BBA plus MBA integrated course, okay. It is a 5 year long integrated course, okay. On completing the course, the graduate will possess dual degree, BBA and MBA, okay. So it helps students by giving the both the degrees, okay. So you won't have to separately apply for MBA degree. That's a very good thing of it. Now comes the BMS, Bachelors of Management Studies. So it is a very good management course. 12th science stream students are eligible to pursue this course, okay. So the course duration is 3 years. BMS and BBA both are management courses, okay, but BMS course focuses more in traditional management education and elements of commerce also, okay. So this was all about the BMS course. Now comes the BMS, Bachelor of Hotel Management, okay. So it is a 4 years long undergraduate program. It is highly job oriented course. This course prepares students to take on roles and jobs in hotel and travel industry, okay. Diploma and certificate version programs of this course are also available, but pursuing the bachelor's degree course from a recognized institution will be the best step for it, okay. Now comes the law courses. So other than engineering, science and management, 12th stream students can also pursue the law courses, okay. So right after 12th you can pursue. Some of the examples of the law integrated courses are, first one is BSc plus LLB, okay. Then is BCom plus LLB, then is BCom plus LL.B, okay. So these are BCom LLB, this is BBA LLB. So these are you can try in the law courses. Next come the fashion design and related courses. Fashion design and related courses, degree diploma also available in it, okay. So some of the programs are Bachelor of Fashion Design and Technology, then comes the Bachelor of Fashion Communication, then comes the Bachelor of Interior Designing, then comes the Bachelor of Design Accessory, then comes the Bachelor of Design in Leather, then comes the Bachelor of Textile Design, okay. Then comes the Bachelor of Product Design, and then comes the Furniture and Interior Design course. So that was all from fashion designing course. Now comes the commercial pilot training, okay. So the commercial pilot training, so 12th science mathematics group students may go for CPL training right after 12th, okay. CPL training, commercial pilot training, okay. It is an expensive course, a student must also pass pilot aptitude test. It is an exam for it, and other medical examinations to be considered eligible to undergo training. Now next comes the education and teaching related courses. So in education and teaching related courses is a very good area in which you can earn name, fame, money, everything. So after doing this type of courses, one may take a job of a teacher, instructor. Some well-known education related courses are, so BLEd, okay, Bachelor of Elementary Education, 4 years long course. Then comes the Diploma in Elementary Education, okay. Then comes the BPED, Bachelor of Physical Education, okay. Then comes the Primary Teachers Training course, and it can follow up with B.Ed, so you can easily get a government job or a private job. Next comes the Diploma in Yoga Education, okay. Now let's move on to B Pharmacy. Though this course had a lot to do with biology and aspects related to medicine, it can be chosen by mathematics group also, okay. B Pharmacy followed by M Pharmacy is a good option for them, okay. You can easily get a job in any pharma, or you can set up a pharma shop for yourself. Now comes the marine field courses, okay. Marine field courses, so this field is not just limited to marine engineering, there are other courses also related to this field, okay. So some of them are diploma courses. These courses can be pursued to get a merchant navy job. Now moving to other courses and diploma courses. Apart from regular courses mentioned above, 12th science stream students can also pursue courses from other streams, so it is a very good thing. So I will tell you about the some job oriented degree and diploma courses, okay. So here comes the BCom, okay. Here comes the BCom. Then comes the B social work, okay. B social work. Next comes the field of mass communication and journalism. This is the most latest, means people are pursuing this more. Then comes the animation and multimedia. You can see in YouTube also many animation are there, so it is helpful to earn you in digital marketing or some like that, means you can earn by digitally doing all the things, because today is the era of internet. And then performing arts. Coming next is language courses, that is foreign languages are promising, so you can do any foreign courses and get a job in any as a lecturer or many things, okay. Then is diploma in retail management. Then is the diploma in education technology. Then is the diploma in hotel management. Then comes the diploma in fire safety and technology. Then comes the diploma in film making and video editing, okay. Then comes the air hostess cabin crew training course. Then comes the diploma in event management. So these were the top courses, okay.